Hello friends, in this video tutorial, I will show how to set up Anydesk Access Control. So, let's start. At first, I open my Anydesk application. After this, go to the Settings options. Now, click on Access, and unlock Access Settings options. Here, we can see Access Control List. Friends, if we enable Access Control Setting, and allow Device ID in Access Control List, then this device is included in Whitelist to access Anydesk. Enable Access Control Restrict Client Options, and click on Plus menu for adding Device ID in this list. After typing Device ID, click Plus to add device in Access Control List. Now, close this options, and if we go to the Access options, then we can see a device ID in Access Control List which we added. Now I will connect this device remotely with Access Control Listed ID. You can see both device ID is same. I accept this device access. Friends, remember, if we remove any listed device ID from this list, and if this options is enabled, then this device is not connected with remote device, show access denied. I already removed my listed device ID. If we disable Access Control Restrict Client Options, then you can connect it with remote device, as a regular way. Show my Anydesk related video, for resolving your issue. Friends, please, subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button, for new and updated technology-related video tutorials. Thanks for watching this video, and stay with us.